Go 10 high school, let's got the soccer ball.
Hey, I'm David from Group 10. Today we're going to discuss with you the biomechanics behind how to shoot a goal and score in soccer. And I will specifically be talking to you about electromechanical delay and how to block the shot.
Hi, I'm Philip. I'm also part of Group 10, and I'll be talking to y'all today about static friction.
Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. I'm also part of Group 10, and I'm going to be talking to you about momentum and acceleration.
Hey guys, I'm gonna talk about force. God, I'm sick of this. I'm gonna play checkers.
Brandon, what is wrong?
Just can't get it.
Brandon, look, it's not hard, man. I promise. All we need to do is get you a lesson in force, static friction, momentum, and acceleration. You got this. Come on. Let's do this.
Force. Force can be thought of as push and pull action on a body or an object. Force is a vector, meaning it has direction and magnitude. Some of the common forces are gravity, muscle forces, friction, and air resistance. How force is applied to scoring a soccer goal. Gain acceleration by rotating your leg in a kicking motion towards the ball. Your mass, along with the acceleration, contributes to the amount of force that will be exerted. Force is applied to the ball. The ball then accelerates in the direction that the force is applied.
Static friction. Static friction occurs when an object is static. Motion occurs when the applied force is greater than the maximum static friction. Static friction. The ball is static prior to the kick. Force of the kick must be greater than static friction for motion to occur. If not enough force is applied, the ball will not make it to the goal. No score will be made. If no goals are made, then the team will lose.
Linear momentum is generally defined as a quantity of motion that an object possesses. More specifically, the product of an object's mass and its velocity. Linear momentum is equal to mass times velocity.
Momentum is equivalent to mass times velocity. Initially, momentum is zero as the ball is stationary and therefore has no velocity. After the application of force by the kick, momentum is gained primarily through velocity as the mass remains constant and therefore cannot contribute to the gain of momentum. This gain of momentum will cause the ball to fly through the air in a curvilinear fashion towards the goal. You're good.
Acceleration is a change in velocity over a period of time.
Cool. Acceleration is equivalent to the change in velocity over time. Another applicable equation is force equals mass times acceleration. The initial velocity of the ball is zero as it is stationary. However, once the force is applied to the ball through the kick, it causes it to rapidly accelerate towards the goal. When speaking on acceleration, you have to take into account both the x and the y axes. In regards to the y-axis, the pull of gravity causes the ball to negatively accelerate in the vertical axis, resulting in a curvilinear motion towards the goal. Horizontally, the ball rapidly accelerates after the initial force is applied through the kick, then it slowly negatively accelerates due to air resistance as it approaches the goal.
Now we're
recording.
good. Now we're
You're
good.
recording right now.
Oh, snap.
David, what is wrong, man? What the
I
heck?
can't make things anymore.
David,
I don't know.
David, look, yes you can. You just need a lesson in electromechanical delay, force, and acceleration.
Oh.
Come on. It's not that hard.
That's
Come
all.
on. Yep.
Electromechanical delay is the time it takes between neural input into the electrical stimulation of the muscle and tension being developed within the muscle. Typically, this takes between 20 and 100 milliseconds. A decrease in electromechanical delay will essentially result in a faster reaction time, meaning that the goalie will have more time to accelerate and get to the ball, resulting in a better block. Acceleration is something that we have previously covered. To reiterate, acceleration equals change in velocity over time. In this scenario, the goalkeeper begins at a velocity of 0. In order to reach the ball, he or she must apply a significant force to the ground in order to increase their velocity in the direction of the ball quickly. This, coupled with electromechanical delay, will allow for the goalie to reach the ball quickly and hopefully save the goal. Friction is another topic that we have previously covered that is also applicable to the situation of a goalie defending the goal. There are two types of friction, static and kinetic. Kinetic is more likely to be applicable in this situation as the ball is already in motion and we are trying to stop it. The force of friction is equivalent to the coefficient of friction multiplied by the perpendicular force. In this case, using a material with a higher coefficient of friction, such as gloves, can improve the goalkeeper's ability to stop the ball. This, paired with an increase in acceleration and a decrease in electromechanical delay, can improve the goalie's ability to efficiently block the ball and prevent a goal.
Daggone it. Do I have to teach y'all everything? Everything! I told you, friction, friction, friction. Put them on your hands. Friction.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip